Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 AI small business ideas for 2025. So, starting from number 5, AI content writing and blogging. Writing content no longer requires hours of effort. With AI tools, you can generate high-quality articles, add copy and scripts in minutes. Business are constantly looking for engaging content, making AI-powered writing one of the most in demand service. By offering blog writing or email marketing, you can build a steady income stream with minimal effort. And number 4, AI chatbots, customer support, and lead generation are essential for business, and AI powered chatbots are making it easier than ever to automate these tasks. Whether it's e-commerce stores, real estate firms, or healthcare providers, AI chatbots can handle inquiries, schedule appointments, and boost sales, all without human intervention. By offering chatbot setup, you can help business improve efficiency while generating consistent income. Number 3, ad-driven graphic design. Gone are the days when professional design required years of experience. AI-powered design tools can create stunning logos, social media graphics, and branding materials in seconds. With businesses and content creators always needing eye-catching visual, launching an AI-powered design agency can be a lucrative opportunity. This business has a massive earning potential. And number 2, AI text to speech services. The demand for high-quality voiceovers is skyrocketing, and AI has made it possible to generate human-like speech at scale. From YouTube videos and audiobooks to advertisement and podcast, businesses need professional sounding voiceovers. By using AI voice generation tools, you can offer voiceover services or create AI generated audiobooks, turning into a high income business. And number 1, AI powered ad creation businesses spend billions on advertising, and ad driven marketing tools are changing the game. AI can now create highly targeted ad sales, copy, and email campaigns that drive real results. By starting an AI powered marketing agency, you can help brands optimize their campaigns, generate leads, and increase sales, all while leveraging automation to scale your businesses effortlessly. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.